Well, we are getting our LS430 family hauler ready because we're no longer driving the convertible. Now it is time for our beautiful snow-covered LS430, which we will drive all winter long.
You're not wearing gloves.
I know. Woo! Oof! Oof!
All right.
All right.
Into the cavern. Start her up.
Get this baby started.
Really snow covered.
Oh, like that sound. Oh, it started, even without being plugged in. Yeah.
You haven't put the one thing on that you need.
I know. It's coming.
Seat heater.
There it is. There it is. Seat heater on.
All right.
All right. Now we need that brush. But remember, last night we had issues with it closing.
Oh, we've had issues.
So hopefully it'll close. Ooh. And the brush is not in here.
Oh no.
Oh, we're closed. Okay, good. You walk fast, you know, in the winter. There's no slacking. There's no, taking your time. You gotta move quickly. And trusty brush.
All right.
That's what we need. Oh, this one looks kind of. I have another one.
Because it's Canada, we have more than one.
We have two.
All
Okay,
right.
Here we go.
Bye, convertible.
Bye, convertible. We love you. See you in the summer. Okay. Oh, this is gonna take a while.
Why aren't you wearing gloves?
Well, I don't know, because I have to get the car seat out, and I need my fingers to be free.
Well, I was impressed at how quickly it started, considering.
I know.
It's been obviously not just cold, but freezing.
Yeah.
There you go. That's how much snow we have.
Bye.
Foot.
Can't believe this car is still.
All right.
Good enough?
Have you scraped the windows, though?
Okay. You know what? Let me get the car seat out before my fingers freeze.
So here's our other issue, right? We need this car seat out because our child is outgrowing it. So we have to change some of the settings.
Yeah.
Oh, is that all you have to do?
No, I have. Unfortunately, my feet are frozen. My hands are frozen. I can't do anything else. Let's see if you can do it.
Let's see if I can do it.
I don't know how you're able to do that side. There's like no
don't
space.
don't say I've done it till I've done it. The problem is you got like a very limited amount of time.
That's it.
To get it out.
Like 30 seconds.
Because you're touching metal in this cold.
And it's freezing, yeah. See, there's more leeway that way, I think. Like.
What is this?
Oh, you got it. No, you didn't.
Oh, it's not this.
You didn't.
That's the one on the back.
Yeah.
I don't care about.
Did
Success!
You did it!
Yay!
Yay! Now
50% success.
Now the other side should be easier.
Well, I can't feel my fingertips.
No.
Shit, I just can't feel my
Okay, I can
fingertips.
switch with you and do that side now that you've got the other side. Because my fingers are warm now.
Car seats are a necessary evil.
You know what we can do? We're going to leave it. We're going to leave it.
No one is watching. After I went inside to warm up my thumbs. There you go! Look what I have.
You got it out!
Uh-huh.
Good for you!
My thumbs finally got unnumb. All right, so go in and change it however you need to in the house. I will scrape the car.
Okay.
Here's something that this will make the garage queen owners of Lexus LS430 crazy. Scraping the ice off here. Try that with your garage queen.
Well, needs a new paint job anyway.
All right, the new and improved or resized car seat.
Yeah. I took out the harness, but I'm still gonna put it back in like this.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, it just keeps it more safe.
Oh yeah, keeps it safe. You're
Yeah.
gonna swear at it trying to take it out.
Later, yeah.
Want me to do it?
Sure, I can't do it. I can't even find the bar to hook it to. Because there's no there's nothing that says it's right here. You just have to feel for it. And I can't feel my fingers, so I got it. No, I didn't. Yeah, I did. I got it.
Yeah. All right, next time we take it out, summer, not winter.
Yeah.
Finishing touch.
Finishing
now
touch.
we have to.
Hopefully this will, stay up for a bit.
Yeah. Stay up for now.
For now. Oh,